Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. And so today we're doing a turnover clean. I believe it's 15 apartments. So I'm here getting the equipment and everything for the cleans. So we're so busy this season. Take all kind of tools. I subbed out the work, but I'm going to supply the equipment because it's a lot and I want them to clean with the proper stuff. I got some stuff there already that I had to pick up from the supply store, and I just dropped it off there. And then too, when I supply the supplies and all I'm paying for is the labor, it saves me some money. I'm gonna take all the right tools so they can be efficient. And I have a deadline of Friday. Oh shit. I have a deadline of Friday. So we only got a few days to get this term done. It's not too bad. They could be done by Thursday at the latest, depending on how many people she brings. But I'm gonna make sure they got the right tools. That's for sure. I got all this equipment. I'm gonna use it. I gotta get another cart. Some of the contractors that I work with, they're so new, they don't even have equipment and stuff yet. At least not enough to do what I need them to do. Alright, so I gotta stay focused. I don't forget nothing. Let me see, I need trash bags. Let me take, that two should be enough. Okay, got this flat mop, this bucket. I need a flat mop stick. Some pads. Yeah, so what I was saying is, when I'm just paying for the labor, I don't mind letting them use my equipment. That's why I brought it. So, alright, so I need to make some caddies. These are caddies. Yep, so this is what I'm doing today so that I can fulfill this. Now this client is Chatham College, and I'm going to tell you what, they are just blessing my business. And we blessing them. So it's working out. Let's see what else. Fuller brush. Fuller brushes. Gloves. See, when I make the caddies, it's easier to not forget stuff because the caddies are set up a certain way that you won't forget stuff. Okay, I need to take some vacuum bags just in case. Bags for the backpack. And the other vacuum. Alright, so there's mop sticks, there's a mop bucket there, so that'll make me have 4, 5. Let me take some new and old mop heads. And I need towels. Yeah, so that's all, y'all. Just got on here so y'all can see me pack for a project. Oh, I got towels all over the place. Yes, I figure if it's 6 people, I have enough for 6 people to have their own tools. Yep. So now I need some glass towels. Glass towels. This thing is packed now because now my machine's in here. Let's see. Now my machine's in here with my other machines and all this stuff. Let me see if I'm forgetting anything. Oh, let me take some oven cleaner. Although students don't do too much cooking in the ovens that I did check. But I've seen some stove tops that could use oven cleaner. So these are half cans and I'm full. None of them full. Well, let me take them anyway. They only really seen one dirty stove. But if I have to buy oven cleaner, I will. I think I got some other carrying up here on the shelf too. Let me see. Take some of these. I'm sorry, y'all. Take some of these scouring pad things. Let's see. Alright, what else? The caddies. I gotta go get another part. Got buckets. Trash bag, gloves. Let me see. Oh, I want to get those measures for my detergent so they don't waste the product. I buy these. It's a measuring cup. Goes into a gallon jug, twist it on. They squeeze it up to this cup, 3 ounces. This way they don't waste detergent. I need 2 of these. Because you can use not enough detergent and don't kill no germs, or you can use too much detergent and damage the surface. And most of the product that I buy uses 3 ounces. I'm thinking I should take some dusters. Let's see. All right, y'all. I think I'm done. This is everything I gotta take. All this stuff here. I gotta go get another cart. All right, y'all. See y'all at the project. I forgot some main things. Brooms and step stools so that they can reach the kitchen cabinet. Make sure I ain't forget nothing else. I guess that's it.